Alam mo yun, halos lahat nagsasabi na nobody is perfect. I'm starting to think that's a lie. I think we can be perfect. We just need to use the right dictionary. If you will define perfect as flawless, then yeah, wala nga magiging perfect. But what if perfect just means complete? What if this moment, right now, yung mga may tattoo, may mga salamin, getting lost and all, is the exact version of you that's supposed to exist right now? We feel imperfect because of how we define the word. So let's redefine it. Perfection is not the impossible state defined by others na mismong sila hindi naniniwala na may perfect na tao. Why will you follow them? God has His own definition of perfection. He even told us to be perfect. Mag-uutos ba siya ng something if alam niya na imposible naman pala natin magawa yung ganun? Basta ako, I'm choosing to believe I'm exactly where I need to be. Does it sound arrogant ba? Or does it sound like freedom? I want to hear your take. Is perfection actually possible if we stop lying to ourselves about what it means? Hindi ka ba perfect kasi malakas ka tumawa o adik ka sa kape o dahil may topa ka? You're perfect. Just change its definition and accept that we can be perfect. Do you agree?